Hello, in front of me I have Suunto 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on the device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can double tap on the screen or press the left upper button. After that, press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu, and here we can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of watch faces, find the one you like and simply tap on it to apply it, like this. You can also edit the watch faces. To do it, open the watch face menu again, and below watch faces you have settings icon, simply tap on it. And here we can tap on widget, for example, and change it. Here we have a list of widgets we can use. For example, let's use clock and time and date. Here we can tap another widget. Let's select agenda, for example. Oh, my bad. Agenda. And here we can change another one, for example. Let's select weather. And once you're done, simply press the left upper button to go back and apply your settings. You can also change the watch face by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone. Open the Wear OS app on our phone. In the app we have category called watch faces. Here we have 3. We can select, as you can see, or we can tap on more right here to open the whole list of watch faces and select one you like to apply it. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.